A very good morning to all, my dear children. In the previous class, we have seen the sound of SH. SH is ish sound. Now I am going to teach you CH. CH. CH, the sound is ich. See, look at the first picture. Chalk. What is this? Chalk. Okay. C-H-A-L-K. Chalk. See the second picture. Cheek. Cheek means this is one of the parts of the body. Cheek. See all the pictures, the first two letters. Listen carefully the sound. Okay. Chalk. Cheek. C-H-E-E-K. Cheek. Chocolate. What is this? Chocolate. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E. Chocolate. Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Chalk, cheek, chocolate, chair. See, look at the second line. All the pictures, last two letters are same. Listen carefully the sound. Okay. Peach. Listen carefully, the sound is at last. Peach. Rich. Bench. Bunch. B-P-E-A-C-H. Peach. R-I-C-H. Rich. Okay. R-I-C-H. Ich. Rich. See, look at the third picture. Bench. What is this? Bench. B-E-N. Ben. C-H. Each sound. Bench. Okay. See the fourth picture. What is this? Bunch. B-U-N. Bun. C-H. Each sound. Bunch. Bunch means see the same things more than 2 or 3. That only we will call bunch. Peach, rich, bench, bunch. Are you clear? Now I am going to read aloud. Bitch, check, chest, chess, chain, chance, change, chance, beach, teach, reach, peach, chocolate, charm, bunch, chin. Again I am going to read. Kindly listen carefully. Bitch, check, chest, chess, chain, chance, change, chas, beach, teach, reach, peach, chocolate, charm, bunch, chin. Are you clear? Sound is CH, each. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Thank you for your listening. Bye bye.